Beneath these futuristic domes, a rare White Brahman legacy begins its journey. Sterile corridors guard the world's most advanced bullhorn biofacility. Majestic white bulls roam in a pristine, climate-controlled sanctuary. AI sensors monitor heart rate, temperature, and health in real time. Automated lines deliver tailored nutrients, preparing them for the process. Precision feeding ensures every bull reaches optimum health and horn quality. Climate-controlled misting systems maintain perfect conditions for growth. Silent drones track movement and health, monitoring every bull's journey. They move calmly toward the next stage, guided by precision and care. Robotic scans measure density, thickness, and curvature with precision. The bull enters the handling zone, ready for the next precision step. The robotic arm approaches with precision, ready for extraction. The horn is freed with surgical precision, its surface flawless. The horn is classified. Its journey from raw to refined has begun.
Harvested horns await their transformation into luxury accessories.
Premium white hides enter the washing zone, ready for purification. High-pressure jets remove impurities, revealing the pure hide beneath. Chemical salt presses preserve and prepare the hide for tanning. Inside the tumbling drum, the hide softens and absorbs the tanning agents.
Soft, supple, and pristine, the leather is now ready for cutting.
Laser scanners map the grain, ensuring every cut follows the natural line.
The laser follows the grain, creating perfect, seamless cuts.
The cut panels are inspected, ensuring they meet the highest standards. Perfectly cut panels now await the next stage of their transformation.
Each panel is a canvas, ready to become part of a luxury masterpiece.
Pristine horns enter the cutting zone, ready for precision slicing. The robotic saw slices through with precision, each cut perfectly smooth. Sliced horn pieces are sorted, ready for the next stage of refinement. Into the steam ovens, where heat and moisture soften the horn for molding.
Heat and steam transform the horn, making it ready for molding.
The softened horn enters the press, molded into a luxurious, marble-like sheet.
Pressure and heat transform raw horn into smooth, elegant panels.
The marble-like sheets emerge, elegant and perfectly formed.
CNC polishers refine the surface, creating a flawless, mirror-like finish. Fine polishing reveals a brilliant, mirror-like gloss. The polished panels enter the assembly line for precision crafting.
Robotic arms craft the panels with surgical accuracy. Laser engraving marks the panels for luxury detailing.
The horn components are aligned with microscopic precision.
The final products emerge, ready for the ultimate quality check. The finished piece takes its place in a world of refined elegance. Gold-trimmed iPhone cases gleam, crafted from polished horn panels. From the factory floor to the global traveler, ready for the world.
Luxury in hand, wherever the journey leads.
From field to factory to the world, the journey is complete. In the quiet of a luxury hotel, the bag rests, ready for the next adventure.
The polished horn handle, a perfect grip for the modern traveler.
At the desk, in the boardroom, the case is a statement of style. From the factory to the world, it travels with you. The mark of Mega MFG, a legacy of precision and craftsmanship.
A moment of celebration, where craftsmanship meets the skyline. In the golden hour light, the horn's natural beauty shines.
A perfect companion for every moment, every journey.
Final piece, captured in its purest form.
Mega MFG, where raw nature meets precision craftsmanship.
In a sunlit space, the bag's quiet elegance speaks for itself.
Wherever you go, the bag's quality speaks for you. Every detail, every surface, crafted with precision. From raw horn to luxury finish, the journey is complete. Mega MFG, where precision and nature create timeless luxury.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public information and computers concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is information only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.